back to our small home life. Again, I am Haley. Today we're going to tackle an organization project that I have been needing to do since mid-May. So we're coming on about 2 months now when I should have, maybe a little over 2 months, when I should have done this project. Prior to renovating our kitchen in May, all of our pantry items were stored in the Lazy Susan. So I never really had a lot of pantry items on hand. We've come to be able to really live with minimal pantry items, but once I finally got a pantry, I realized that I could have a few more things on hand to make our lives a little bit easier. What happened though is I never organized the pantry. Kind of put the cabinets up, I shoved everything into the pantry area and just sort of let it be. And it became really cluttered, unorganized. There was really no specific rhyme or reason why things were where they were, and it definitely made it a lot harder to remember what we had on hand. So I knew a project I really wanted to tackle was to organize that pantry. I grabbed a bundle of these great bins off of Amazon. I'll pop that link down below to those. They're super affordable, and I got 4 sort of medium size and 4 small ones, and then I added with some of the other ones that I already had. I think what I did made a vast improvement. There's definitely more that needs to be done. Okay, so it is time. Let's start organizing this pantry. See you soon.
At the side of a busy road, how I'm crawling for a worthy goal. At least I'm not alone in my empathy. There's more like me who don't know how to be, how to reach out to the open arms, how to reach out to the open arms. Turning red, and I don't know if it's forbidden or beautiful. Yeah, blue sky is turning red, and I don't know, should I be scared or grateful? How can I see the beautiful? At the side of a busy road, how I'm crawling for a worthy goal. I can see I'm not alone in my empathy. There are ghosts all around, and they're telling me I should reach out to the open.
All right, there you have it, guys. That is our organized-ish pantry for the time being. One thing that I do really want to do is start using, excuse our junk drawer. I think every house needs a junk drawer, by the way. Side note, do you have a junk drawer? Or is it just a New England thing? I'm not quite sure. But I do have a label maker that I really want to start using this a little bit more, and I am going to sort of label the bins that are in there. I also know that I'm probably going to move things around. I think the top of the pantry is a little bit unorganized for my liking. And for here, I'm not really sure where I should do the grab and go snacks. I'm trying to make it accessible for the kids, but also have it make sense. If you like this video, guys, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. I am hoping to do more of these organizational videos for you as I start to move through the rest of the cabinets. I have a tea organizing one that I cannot wait. I have currently about I think I have about 10 or 15 different teas that I drink, so it's time to really organize those. And I also really need to clean out all of our cabinets. Everything was just thrown in there. So if you would like to see those, guys, make sure you hit that thumbs up, subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit the bell notification. That way you'll get a notice every time we have a new video live for you. YouTube thinks that you will like this video. Not sure where it's gonna go. This video, and I think you will too, guys. Hope you have a great day and happy organizing.